These are the Daily Tech headlines for Friday, October 4th, 2024. I'm Rob Dunwood. Gmail for iOS users with Google One AI Premium or Google Workspace subscriptions will be updated in the coming weeks. Google is rolling out support for its Gmail QA features, giving users a Gemini-powered AI assistant to help manage their inbox. The Gemini side panel, introduced for the web and Android devices earlier this year, provides an easier way to locate specific information buried within emails or Google Drive. Users can ask Gemini questions about their inbox and get summaries of emails around a particular topic, surface unread messages or emails from a specific sender, and answer general questions from Google searched directly within the inbox. The EU's highest court ruled that social networks, such as Facebook, cannot use people's information for ad targeting indefinitely. Limits on how long personal data can be kept must be applied in order to comply with the data minimization principles contained in the bloc's GDPR rules. The Court of Justice of the European Union ruling follows an earlier opinion on the case, which also backed limits on the retention of personal data for ad targeting. A Meta spokesperson told TechCrunch, "We await the publication of the court's judgment and we'll have more to share in due course." Google announced Friday that it will stop linking to New Zealand news articles if the country's government goes ahead with a law to force tech giants to pay for content that appears on their feeds. In a blog post, Caroline Rainsford, Google New Zealand country director, said, "We'd be forced to stop linking to news content on Google Search, Google News, or Discover surfaces in New Zealand and discontinue our current commercial agreements and ecosystem support with New Zealand news publishers." More ads are coming to Amazon Prime Video in 2025. Ads were introduced earlier this year, and according to Kelly Day, Amazon's vice president of Prime Video International, churn since the addition of ads has, quote, been much less than we anticipated. Amazon currently only places ads at the beginning of programs, unlike its peers who place ads during a show. It's not known if this ramp up in ads means that they will start to appear in the middle of shows, but Amazon indicated that it will still not be as ad heavy as its competitors. ChatGPT has received its first major change to its UI. The Canvas interface aims to make the chatbot more collaborative, allowing for users to adjust sections of text or code generated by the chatbot in a separate editing window next to the existing ChatGPT chat box. Canvas provides users with a menu of shortcuts for suggesting inline edits, quickly checking grammar and clarity, and adjusting the length of reading level of text. The Canvas interface is currently in beta and can be accessed by selecting GPT-4o with Canvas under the ChatGPT's model picker drop-down menu. Automatic CEO Matt Mullenweg announced Thursday that 159 employees, or roughly 8.4% of staff, accepted a severance package the company offered to those who disagreed with his direction of WordPress and his handling of the tussle with the web hosting provider WP Engine. The package offered $30,000 or 6 months of salary, whichever is higher, but the employees who took it would not be eligible to be rehired by Automatic. Google Lens now lets you search with video, and you can use your voice to ask questions about what you are seeing. For example, you could hold your phone up at an aquarium and ask it why fish are swimming in groups. Lens will use the Gemini model to provide a response. Google first previewed using video to search at I/O in May and is rolling it out in Search Labs on Android and iOS today. Bloomberg is reporting that Tencent Holdings Limited and Ubisoft Entertainment SA's founding Guillemot family are considering a potential buyout of the French video game developer after it lost more than half its market value this year. People familiar with the matter said Tencent and Guillemot Brothers Limited have been speaking with advisors to help explore ways to stabilize Ubisoft and bolster its value. Ubisoft shares rose as much as 33% in Paris on Friday following the Bloomberg News report, the steepest gain since the company's 1996 public offering. And finally, Meta announced its own media-focused AI model called MovieGen that can be used to generate realistic video and audio clips. MovieGen goes beyond the generation of straightforward text-to-video clips and can make targeted edits to an existing clip, like adding an object into someone's hands or changing the appearance of a surface. MovieGen can produce high-definition video clips up to 16 seconds long, and Meta claims that it outperforms competitive models in overall video quality. It's not clear when MovieGen will be broadly available, as the announcement vaguely gestures a potential future release. For more discussion of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. You can find show notes and links to all the headlines there as well. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.